उत्तर भारत की फिल्म सिटी के नाम से मशहूर नोएडा के मारवा स्टूडियो के प्रांगण में आप स्कूल ऑफ एनिमेशन द्वारा 3 दिवसीय चलने वाले 14 से 16 मई एक्सट्रीम चैंपियंस लीग 2025 का शानदार तरीके से आयोजन किया गया। द्वीप प्रज्वलन और गणेश वंदना के साथ कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत की गई। कार्यक्रम में डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा, चांसलर, आर्ट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मीडिया एंड आर्ट्स, अबितल बराक, कल्चरल अटैच, एम्बेसी ऑफ इजराइल, हिरोकी कावासाकी, सीनियर डायरेक्टर ऑफ बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट, जापान एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, अल्फ्रेडो कार्डेरा, कल्चरल काउंसलर, एम्बेसी ऑफ वेनेजुएला, वृंदा सूद, फाउंडर एंड सीईओ साइट्रस इंक, आयुष फाउंडर, मेलोफॉक्स स्टूडियोज ने अपनी उपस्थिति दर्ज कराई। कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित सभी अतिथिगण को बुके भेंट कर स्वागत किया गया। डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा ने सभी उपस्थित लोगों का शुक्रिया किया और कहा, किसी भी व्यक्ति के जीवन में खेल और फिटनेस का महत्व अमूल्य है। खेल खेलने से टीम भावना विकसित होती है। एक फिट और स्वस्थ व्यक्ति एक समान रूप से स्वस्थ समाज और मजबूत राष्ट्र का नेतृत्व करता है। साथ ही वहां मौजूदा अतिथिगण ने भी खेलों के महत्व पर जोर दिया। कार्यक्रम के दूसरे हॉल में अलग अलग गेमों की प्रदर्शनी लगाई गई। साथ ही सभी अतिथिगण द्वारा एक्सट्रीम चैंपियंस लीग 2025 का झंडा फहराकर गेम्स की शुरुआत की गई। वहां स्टूडेंट्स ने गेम्स के कैरेक्टर के कॉस्ट्यूम पहनकर रैंप वॉक किया। कार्यक्रम के अंत में डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा द्वारा अतिथिगण को एक्सट्रीम चैंपियंस लीग 2025 मोमेंटो देकर सम्मानित किया गया।
What a pleasure to be here. This is a Extreme Champions League. This is for the first time it is happening in India, where we are going to start here with the games. And for the wonderful international setup, what we have tried to give it to our students of animation, and probably all the 18 colleges of AAFT, they are directly or indirectly actually involved with this kind of a unique show. This is all started when I was at Waves and I was listening to our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, where he spoke about the animation and gaming at length, and actually persuaded people to get into this business and do more than what exactly we are doing. We've been running animation school since 2003. We are probably the first one in the country to start a degree course in animation, and from there then to here, we're very happy that we are the first one today to start something like this, which is called a competition for e-games, and see the excitement, see the grand opening of this first ever championship for e-games. And I wish all the students a wonderful beginning, lots of awards and rewards, and a lot of fun and fair in this beautiful setup of animation.
What would you say about today's Extreme Champions League and how's your experience when you
Yeah, we realized that so many has enthusiasm from the Indian student in Indian side, and that awareness to the content industry is increasing. So we would like to combine the Japanese companies and then expect more Japanese presence here.
any message from children?
Please consider Japan, and actually we are lacking population in India, so please be a good creator and come to Japan and work for Japanese industry.
Really honored to be here, to get invited here, and as always, it's a great event, very exciting. So full of life and full of hope for like a beautiful tomorrow. It's a beautiful today already, and we in Israel are following closely the amazing development of the industry and the students, and I want to thank you very much and wish you the best of luck and continue doing what you're doing, because you're doing it very good. Start.
एक्सट्रीम चैंपियंस लीग के बारे में क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे और कैसा आपका एक्सपीरियंस था?
Amazing platform to launch the new talent. Great experience for people. A great experiment lab also for students to start working and showcasing their talent and learn with the flow, like how it is to be done and how you have to deliver. And some great works can come out of this place. It's a great platform to launch, as I said, and I feel that this today or in the near future, you are ready to produce some great games out of this. There should be some people are ready to fund you and take your games to the next level. So I think it's a great initiative, and it should be carried on in this and even a bigger way. Next time maybe you will have some industry mentors who could help you, who could build with you, and this can go to the next level as well.
First of all, many congratulations to Sandeep ji for creating this beautiful platform. This is the future. आज जो अब हम देख रहे हैं, हमारा entire generation is going to be on gaming, VR, AI, AR, all of that together. This platform next year will be even bigger, and right now what we saw, the energy and the vibe of the people, it was really nice. We wish this institute and this platform all the very best, and I do see a lot of gaming talent coming out of India and creating some amazing games for the world to play, entertain themselves. All the best. Thank you.